Hi all, welcome to Guide Coaching Classes. My name is Muazzam Ali, and today we are going to revise our previous topic which we have learned about it, that is the select into case and operators. So first of all, we will see operators. So we have seen logical operators where we have seen about and, or, in, between, any, exit, some, like, not a special letter, and we don't know about the rest of the letters. At the time we will use like with wildcard characters. You can refer my previous video where we have discussed about the wildcards. Then we have seen a very important thing, that is the case expression. It is nothing but the if else conditions which we have used into other languages, that we write case and then we write when, then we write some certain condition, and on the basis of that condition, if that condition is true, we get the result, the first result. If the second condition is true, we get the second result. If nth condition is true, we get nth result. We write the default condition as well, that is the default, and then we write the condition, and then the last one, that is end of that case expression. For today's topic, how to use operators: greater than, less than, equals to, greater than equals to, less than equals to, not equals to. Then we'll see arithmetic operation: add, subtract, modulo, divide, multiply. Today we will be seeing about null functions, null value into a column or into any particular row. We have multiple null functions: if null, is null, Coalesce. Then the last topic for today is auto increment. So see, this is my select department table. If you see on the fourth row, I have null values, okay, that we will use later. But if you see here, I have strength into id. Strength is this is my strength, and this is my did. I have multiplied strength with did. So 1 into 100, that is 100. 2 into 100, that is 400. 3 250, that is 750. And 4 into 1200, see, 100, 200, 750 and 1200. Okay, similarly we can add these two columns as well. We can add it, execute this, done. Whenever any column has any null value, at that time we will use isnull function, isnull Coalesce, or we can use if null. Dname as null on the fourth place. I need to give the name of the column as well, because I am doing some certain calculation over here. If you see, my fourth record is null, but when I execute this, it will be changed to empty. So it generally changes the value. Now in this column, any null value is coming, it will change to no name. So see, this here it is empty, and here no name. Into auto increment, what happens is we create a table. During the creation, we need to write that auto increment part. So we have created a table, create table, table name, then we have written the column name, then we have given the data type, then we have given this constraint as identity. The starting point will be 1 and auto increment by 1. If I give 100, it will increase by 100. That is how it works. So if I execute this, you can see there are two records, but here I am just passing only one value. I am giving here only the one value, and I am executing it. So once I execute it, you can see my employee 3 is added and his test ID is 3. You can have only one column into a table as a auto increment. You cannot have more than one. Whenever we are doing an auto increment, we cannot have it on the character. We need to have it on integer, big int and others. So when I execute this, see this, I will get an error. Multiple identity columns specified for table, or to create only one column per table is allowed. That's all for today. I want you guys to practice on this topic, so I have kept it very simple and very short. You can write me a comment, or you can directly ping me. I will try to answer all the questions. So that's all for today. Thank you guys.